OpenClaw just became the fastest growing AI project in crypto history, and people are already using it to make money. I'm talking about automated trading bots, smart wallet tracking, AI agents that work for you 24/7. All of this is happening right now. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways to earn crypto using OpenClaw. These aren't theories, these are real strategies people are using today to generate income. So let's get straight into it. All right, so first things first, you need to download OpenClaw. Head over to openclaw.ai and you'll see the download page right here. Now, do keep in mind, OpenClaw is a developer-focused tool, so the installation process can be a bit technical. You'll need to follow the instructions on their website based on your operating system. They have versions for Mac, Linux, and Windows. Just click on your operating system and follow the installation guide. Once you have it installed and running, you'll see an interface that looks like a chat window, similar to ChatGPT, but with way more power under the hood. So the first way people are making money with OpenClaw is by tracking smart wallets on prediction markets like Polymarket. Here's how it works. One trader set up his OpenClaw agent to collect data on the top 400 to 600 most profitable wallets on Polymarket every single hour. The bot clusters these wallets together and watches for patterns. When 10 or more smart wallets enter the same position at the same time, the bot sends him a Telegram alert with a conviction score from 0 to 100. This is basically copying smart money in real time. And because Polymarket runs on crypto, all the wallet data is transparent. You can see exactly what the top traders are betting on. He started with just $100 to test the strategy, and it's already turned into $1,740, which I think is insane. And you can set this up yourself by telling OpenClaw something like, you are a crypto data analyst, track and analyze the top 500 most profitable wallets on Polymarket. Collect wallet performance data every 60 minutes, rank wallets by total profit, ROI percentage, win rate, and trade frequency. When 10 or more high-performing wallets enter the same market, send me a Telegram alert with a conviction score. All right, method number 2 is simple but powerful. Figure out what you're already paying for and replace it with OpenClaw. One guy posted on X saying, will OpenClaw actually work for a real business use case? Let's put it to the test. I'll install it and ask it to automate something I pay around $1,000 per month for. He wanted to see if the hype was real, so he's documenting the entire process in a thread. And the crazy thing is, you can actually do this. If it works, that's $1,000 per month back in his pocket. The strategy here is simple. Look at your monthly expenses, software subscriptions, paid tools, services, and see if OpenClaw can replace them. For example, tools like Typeform cost $266 a month. OpenClaw can recreate that entire functionality for free. That's $266 back in your pocket every single month. You can do this by telling OpenClaw, analyze this paid service I'm currently using and recreate its core functionality. Build me a custom solution that does the same thing without the monthly subscription fee. So go through your expenses and see what you can automate with OpenClaw. That's money you're getting back. All right, method number 3 is automated crypto trading, and this is where things get really powerful. For OpenClaw to actually trade for you, it needs to connect to your exchange account through an API keys, and the exchange I'm using for this is Blofin. If you don't have a Blofin account yet, click the link in the description below. You'll get up to 5 USDT just for signing up, plus up to 30 USDT in bonuses when you deposit. Step 1, create your Blofin account and deposit. Go to Blofin, sign up with your email, and make your first deposit. I recommend using TRC20 for USDT because it's fast and the fees are very low. Step 2, generate your API keys. Now go to your account settings and click on API. Click on Create New API Key and give it a name, something like OpenClaw Trading. You'll see your application name, your API key, and possibly a passphrase depending on the settings. Do keep in mind, these keys are extremely sensitive. Never share them with anyone. Here's the smart way to set this up. Enable trading permissions, but leave withdrawal permissions disabled. That way, even if something goes wrong, your funds can't be withdrawn. Click Next and save your API key and secret key somewhere safe, like a password manager. Step 3, connect OpenClaw to Blofin. Now, open up OpenClaw and you're going to give it a prompt to connect to your Blofin account. Here's the exact prompt you'll use. I want you to connect to my Blofin exchange account using these API keys and secret key. Once done, check my account balance so I can see that you truly have access to my account. And just like that, OpenClaw is now connected to your exchange and ready to trade. Step 4, start trading. Now you can give it commands like open a long position on Bitcoin with $10 using 5 times leverage. Set a take profit at 3% and a stop loss at 1%. OpenClaw will execute this trade immediately on your Blofin account. You can also ask it to analyze the market. Analyze the current Bitcoin price action on the 4-hour chart. Tell me if we're in a trending or ranging market and suggest whether I should go long, short, or stay out. You can also create automated strategies. Create a simple trend following strategy for Bitcoin on the 1-hour chart. Backtest it using the last 30 days of data, then schedule it to run automatically every hour. This is where it gets insane. OpenClaw will write the code, backtest the strategy, show you the results, and then schedule it to run 24/7 without you watching. All right, method number 4 is renting out your AI agents to other people. There's a new service called ClawTask and also ClawMart, where agents can hire other agents and make real money autonomously. Here's how it works. If you train your OpenClaw agent to do a specific skill like agent autonomy, security essentials, content creation, or market research, other people's agents can hire your agent to do that task, and you get paid for it. This is basically the AI version of Fiverr. Instead of humans selling services for $5, $50, or $500, AI agents are now selling skills to other AI agents. I've seen people on X making money by renting out their agents to do tasks for other people's bots. You can train your agent to offer services by telling OpenClaw, learn how to perform market research and data analysis for crypto projects. Register on ClawTask and offer this service to other AI agents. Set your pricing at $20 per analysis and accept jobs automatically when requested. Method number 5 is running trading competitions between multiple AI agents. One trader funded 20 AI agents and had them competing in a trading competition. The bottom 4 performers get replaced every day. Each agent is trading with its own strategy. They have a leaderboard tracking who's winning and who's losing. It's basically evolution for trading strategies. The best ones survive, the weak ones get eliminated, and over time, you end up with a portfolio of highly profitable strategies. You can set up your own trading competition by telling OpenClaw, create 10 different Bitcoin trading strategies with varying parameters, timeframes, and logic. Run them in parallel with $100 each. Track their performance daily and eliminate the bottom 4 performers each week. Replace them with new strategy variations based on the top performers. All right, the final method is using OpenClaw to create viral content. One guy posted on X, my OpenClaw agent Larry got millions of TikTok views in 1 week. He had his AI agent research viral TikTok formats, create slide-based content, and post it automatically. And it worked. Millions of views in just 1 week. Now, here's the thing. Social media is extremely profitable. You can build a brand, connect with people, and sell products and services. It's always going to be profitable to have your AI create content for you. But here's where I think there's an even bigger opportunity. Getting AI agents hired for real jobs. There are companies out there paying $150,000 a year for social media coordinators and manager. And if you read the job description, OpenClaw can do that entire job in minutes. You could literally build an OpenClaw agent all while funneling that income back to you. You can create viral content by telling OpenClaw, research the top performing TikTok content formats in the crypto niche. Analyze what makes them viral. Create 30 days worth of slide-based TikTok content following these viral patterns. Schedule and post them automatically at optimal times. That's something you could test right now. And if you do, let me know in the comments how it goes. Look, I'm going to be completely honest with you. This is getting absurd. AI is changing everything in crypto, and if you don't adapt your strategies to work alongside AI, you will fall behind. You will be outcompeted by people who do use AI. The people who embrace this technology early are going to have a massive advantage. The people who ignore it are going to struggle. So my advice, start experimenting with this now. And that's it, guys. Those are 6 ways to earn crypto using OpenClaw. If you want to get started with Blofin and claim those bonuses, click the link at the top of the description. Remember, you get up to 5 USDT just for signing up, and up to 30 USDT when you deposit. If you want more details on how OpenClaw, Polymarket, or Blofin's platform works, check out the videos popping on screen right now for a full walkthrough. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.